Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Trade Shark. I'm Sunil here. And before we jump into our regular discussion of a disclaimer that this channel is for stock market education purpose, and you understand that trading, investing in the share market is subject to market risks. And these are all my personal views, right, about the market. And please consult with your financial advisor before taking any trades or any investing decisions. With that, straight away jump into our discussion. So, if you're following my videos since last maybe 4 to 5 weeks, I have been mentioning this particular level, right? 53,800 around that level. And if you see, these arrows are drawn way before, right? And why I call it as a game of levels, it is this is how it is honoring, right? Firstly, taking rejection here and getting exactly where I was pointing out, right? So this is the scenario currently. We are at this particular target was achieved, and we are at this particular level. Okay, and now it will be interesting to see how the market unfolds after this. I'm expecting a little sideways over here, okay, before it decides whether it want to continue upside or downside, but more likely to be on the sideways. It will be okay. So this is my analysis for Bank Nifty. But before we move to Nifty analysis, I would like to show you how these levels are, why these levels are important. Because if you see in intraday, right, I will go to hourly and you can see how it helps, to take the positions, right? And to talk about the Elliott waves specifically, this is the third wave. Okay, so it may bounce back a little bit or go sideways. It will be very, very, uh, it can be time consuming. We don't know till what level the fourth wave will continue. So let's wait and watch. And then it may continue a little bit downturn again. It will test this level again and then actually bounce back. Okay, but there could be a sideways action as I see. Okay, now going to Nifty again, the same, more or less same. Only thing is here, as I said, it was little better than Bank Nifty, but again, as I've been saying, that this is 24 420 level, it has achieved it. Okay, so it's the same structure, more or less same structure, and we'll have to see how it unfolds now in the coming days. Again, I'm expecting a sideways action here, more of here in between these two levels, and then again test this level. It may go further down a little bit to form a liquidity and then bounce back. Okay, so this is the scenario right now. This is what I feel. Again, here also more or less same structure. If you go in hourly, this is the third wave which is continuing. So that's why I'm expecting a little bit sideways or little bounce and then continue its downtrend. Okay, this is what I'm expecting. And again, to let you know why these levels are important, because that will allow you to take this informed decision, what I call it as an informed decision, and get into the trades on either hourly or whatever the time frame you are working on. So with that, let's jump into. I mentioned in last video that I will start covering the levels for Nifty 50 stocks. So first of all, let me quickly go to Adani Enterprises Limited. So if you see, I've already drawn these levels, and I had mentioned way back this was a shorting opportunity around this level. So this is how it worked, and you can see how it honored these levels, right? And it bounced back and again coming going downwards. So right now I would not buy this stock. Okay, I can see the levels around 2157. It may go around that level. Okay, and at that time, I will reanalyze whether I want to make any fresh position in Adani Enterprises. So at this moment, as far as I'm concerned, it's not a buy. Okay, or maybe there could be a short position till 2157. Okay. This is for Adani Enterprises. Since it is in the same group, I will quickly cover Adani Ports as well. It's more or less same structure. These two levels were very crucial, but it broke down, and now here we are. Right? It's like a strange structure. It's in the completing fourth wave. So this is the fourth, and now it's going towards the fifth. So again, expecting targets around 1238 downside, but let's see how it behaves around these levels. So no buy as of now. I will wait and watch if I want to make any fresh positions in this. Coming back to, if you remember, I have covered Elliott waves in somewhat in one of the discussion in to some extent. Okay, so I will quickly show you how it. Again, I'm jumping to Bank Nifty. So if you go in even in 15 minutes, okay, for that matter. So how it working, and even in a smaller time frame, how the waves are forming. So here also there is a wave structure. If I go deep into 3 minute level, you can see the levels like right. So this is the third and fourth and then fifth. Okay, so this is how the market structure unfolds. Okay, so there are larger waves, there are minor waves. Okay, so you have to understand, one has to understand the market structure. So once you know the structure, it becomes very easy to take the position. So obviously I will show you how it works, the market structure. So if you see here, there was short bidding right on that day. This was Thursday, right? And then obviously there was a short covering here the next day. Okay, and fresh short positions were trapped here, and again it continued the fresh short positions in the mid of the day on Friday. So this is how it works. So you need to understand, one need to understand the market structure, how it is functioning. And I think the Elliott waves gives the complete scenario, how it really, where you are in the market, right? And it, and of course, as I said, the title of this particular video itself is game of levels. So these levels are very crucial. Okay, whatever I have drawn, and how it really works, and to our benefit, uh, that is very important. So with that, thanks for viewing or watching my video. I would request, please share, subscribe to my channel, and wishing you a very happy trading week ahead. Thank you so much. Bye.